A share value equivalent to $4.8590 a coin. The present reach, $4.8500, $5.0130. The earlier day close, $4.9760. The change was 0.1170, 2.35%. Converse rate, United States dollars to Axies. A share value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. A share cost forecast for August 2023. At the outset cost at $6.00. Most extreme cost $6.33. Least cost $4.44. The normal for the month $5.46. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $5.08. Change for August 15.3%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for September 2023. First and foremost cost at $5.08. Greatest cost $5.55. Least cost $3.78. The normal for the month $4.90. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $5.19. Change for September 2.2%. A share cost expectation for October 2023. In the first place cost at $5.19. Greatest cost $5.60. Least cost $4.86. The normal for the month $5.22. A share cost figure toward the month's end $5.23. Change for October 0.8%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. Initially cost at $5.23. Most extreme cost $5.23. Least cost $4.22. The normal for the month $4.81. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $4.54. Change for November 13.2%. A share cost expectation for December 2023. In the first place cost at $4.54. Greatest cost $4.54. Least cost $3.66. The normal for the month $4.17. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $3.94. Change for December 13.2%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. First and foremost cost at $3.94. Greatest cost $3.97. Least cost $3.45. The normal for the month $3.77. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.71. Change for January 5.8%. A share cost expectation for February 2024. Before all else cost at $3.71. Most extreme cost $3.71. Least cost $3.03. The normal for the month $3.43. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $3.26. Change for February 12.1%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2024. In the first place cost at $3.26. Greatest cost $3.26. Least cost $2.65. The normal for the month $3.01. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $2.85. Change for spring 12.6%. A share cost expectation for April 2024. To start with cost at $2.85. Greatest cost $3.54. Least cost $2.85. The normal for the month $3.14. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.31. Change for April 16.1%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. Before all else cost at $3.31. Most extreme cost $3.31. Least cost $2.65. The normal for the month $3.03. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $2.85. Change for May 13.9%. A share cost expectation for June 2024. In the first place cost at $2.85. Greatest cost $2.85. Least cost $2.22. The normal for the month $2.58. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $2.39. Change for June 16.1%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. Before all else cost at $2.39. Most extreme cost $2.39. Least cost $1.87. The normal for the month $2.17. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.01. Change for July 15.9%. A share cost expectation for August 2024. Initially cost at $2.01. Most extreme cost $2.01. Least cost $1.66. The normal for the month $1.87. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $1.79. Change for August 10.9%. A share cost expectation for October 2025. In the first place cost at $3.57. Greatest cost $3.57. Least cost $3.03. The normal for the month $3.36. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $3.26. Change for October 8.7%. Access to United States dollars expectations for November 2025. To start with cost at $3.26. Greatest cost $4.04. Least cost $3.26. The normal for the month $3.59. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.78. Change for November 16.0%. A share cost expectation for December 2025. At the outset cost at $3.78. Most extreme cost $3.83. Least cost $3.33. The normal for the month $3.63. A share cost figure toward the month's end $3.58. Change for December 5.3%. Access to United States dollars expectations for January 2026. Initially cost at $3.58. Most extreme cost $3.58. Least cost $2.80. The normal for the month $3.24. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $3.01. Change for January 15.9%. A share cost expectation for February 2026. To start with cost at $3.01. Greatest cost $3.55. Least cost $3.01. The normal for the month $3.22. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $3.32. Change for February 10.3%. Access to United States dollars expectations for WOC 2026. First and foremost cost at $3.32. Greatest cost $3.32. Least cost $2.67. The normal for the month $3.05. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.87. Change for spring 13.6%. A share cost expectation for April 2026. Before all else cost at $2.87. Most extreme cost $2.93. Least cost $2.55. The normal for the month $2.77. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.74. Change for April 4.5%. Access to United States dollars expectations for May 2026. To start with cost at $2.74. Greatest cost $2.75. Least cost $2.39. The normal for the month $2.61. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $2.57. Change for May 6.2%. A share cost expectation for June 2026. In the first place cost at $2.